Chairman no borom yapare ini ani sumung emitted question number 12 TTA ADC hapango bai thangni birindia eba ke police recruitment khainani wansuk mung toditum tongkhai bokro recruitment khaijaknai
Honorable Chairman, first isi meeting wana sini tipani tip edisi baithang ni India police no telangna ni bagai Rajya Sarkar ni thani khastia hapang ni thani wo kaisa resolution rohanai chithi rohanai hanai di sonna laikha boniya gola jeng rohlaikha chithi bu reply phaikha time mention khaidi hanai boprni simi chalo khainai hanai chithi bu phaikha jeng reply roya khota sujura jefro fund available nai jeni bagai state government haste hapang jengno fund approval lokhan ge jeng apro no ADC police telangnai hanai wan suwi tong